The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the National Weather Service, northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Couts to 6 miles east of Morocco, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rensselaer, Lamont, Morocco, Wheatfield, Lake Village, Ruth Lawn, Couts, Shelby, Hanging Grove, Collegeville, Schneider, Mount Ayr, Thayer, Sumava Resorts, Bailey's Corner, Stoutsburg, Fair Oaks, Parr, and Dunn's Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.